Rashmi.
Good afternoon everyone. Welcome all dignitaries. To improve the golden moment of opportunity and catch the good that is in our reach is the great art of life. Good afternoon once again everyone. I am Rashmi here. It is a matter of immense pride to stand here before all of you. It is a wonderful day as we gather here to bid farewell to a group of incredible individuals who have successfully completed their journey in RI Bengaluru.
Let's make this event a memorable one, filled with the joy, gratitude, and inspiration. Let's invoke the blessings of the Almighty. Now I would like to invite Esaru Rani Bandi, trainee of RI.
Please stand up everyone for prayer song. The world stands in need of liberation, my Lord. It still has to feel your power. The world stands in need of liberation, my Lord. It still has to feel your power. The blind and the deaf, the dumb and the mute, all need your healing touch. The world stands in need of liberation, my Lord. It still has to learn to love. There are those who have eyes but refuse to see the inhumanity around. There are those who have ears but refuse to hear the cries of those in agony. The world stands in need of liberation, my Lord. It still has to feel your power. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you for your heartfelt prayer.
Let's begin this beautiful occasion with a warm welcome to our dignitaries, who have played an important role in guiding and supporting in the trainee program. I would like to invite Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy to welcome all the dignitaries.
Good afternoon, all of you. I bid you a pleasant afternoon to Honorable Chief Guest, respected professors, lecturers, supporting staff, and all my dear colleagues. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you to this much awaited 30-day CNT for primary school teachers valedictory program. This valedictory ceremony, culmination of achievements and endless possibilities that lie ahead. When we began this training, many of us arrived with anticipation and perhaps a bit of uncertainty. This training has been more than just a series of lectures and activities. It has been transformative experience, whether it was the insightful discussions, each element has contributed to shaping us into better versions of ourselves. We are honored to Sri K.S. Mani, Director RISA, Bangalore. On behalf of all of you, I welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. On behalf of all, I welcome our respected Dr. Ravinarayan Chakraborty, Professor and Academic Head. Thank you, sir. On behalf of all, I welcome our respected Dr. Hitesh C. Bhagat, Professor, RI. Thank you, sir. On behalf of all, I welcome our respected Dr. Pooja Giri ma'am, Lecturer, RI. On behalf of all, I welcome our respected Dr. Uzma S. Rahil, Lecturer and Course Coordinator. Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of all, I welcome Mr. Suman Bandi, Lecturer, and Ms. Taskia Tabassum ma'am, Lecturer, RI. On behalf of all, I welcome Ms. Manjula, Librarian. On behalf of all, I welcome Ms. Bhagya Lakshmi, Assistant Librarian, and Mr. Abhilash, Assistant Librarian. Thank you, sir. I extend a warm welcome to non-teaching and administrative staff of RISA. Let us together immerse ourselves in this beautiful celebration of valedictory ceremony. Once again, a warm welcome to all, and let's begin the ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you welcoming all dignitaries. And I also welcome Mr. Jagan Reddy for this beautiful occasion. Now I would like to call Miss Nazim Begum to sing a heartfelt farewell song.
Hello, good afternoon to all the ladies and gentlemen. Today it's my pride pleasure to present few lines which I have written, which I have inscribed about all the torchbearers of this esteemed institution. A new dawn of my life. On 4th of November, on one pleasant morning, I stepped in a beautiful campus of RISA. Started a new life, surrounded by new friends, a bold endeavor with ice-breaking moments. The director K.S. Mani, a beacon of light in shadows vast, a soul whose kindness forever lasts. With humble steps he walks the land, a gentle heart, a helping hand, his deeds unsung, his name unbound, yet in his grace a true greatness found. Dr. Uzma, a beacon with wisdom and flame, her zeal and spark filled with air, inspiring hearts with words so kind, breaking the chains that bound the mind. Dr. Hitesh, through laughter, connections, and newfound grace, he plants the seeds in every space. A life transformed, a purpose new, guided by zeal so pure and true. Dr. Suman, your wisdom a guiding flame, each verb, each noun a friend became. Through your teaching grammar and its fame, you turned language into a lucid dream. With patience vast and humor kind, you sharpened both tongue and mind. Dr. Ravinarayan, with patience and guidance, your voice was the key. You made the art of research feel simple and free. No mountains too high, no problems too steep. You taught us that learning a treasure that keeps.
Dr. Pooja, you made us grasp with your song so sweet. A melody weaving through every heartbeat. No dull lecture, no endless drone, but a truth that made each word our own. Yes. Dr. Taskia is absent. Dr. Taskia. Dr. Taskia, you entered the room with spark in your eyes, a master of stories of dreams that arise. To turn simple thoughts into tales that would stay, you lit up our minds with creative delights. All the torch-bearer staff, their energy flows like a river in spring, teaching us courage, making souls sing, from hesitant steps to strides so bold. How quickly the month has passed, with lot of knowledge, with lots of sweet memories, and with drop of tears now, I bid goodbye to this wonderful RI. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Nazima, for your thoughtful, beautiful poem. Now I would like to invite Jessie Lydia from Andhra Pradesh to share her wonderful experience with us.